It's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
DeMontrond, home of the warranty forever. True peace of mind forever. Conveniently located just south of Houston at 3220 Gulf Freeway on 45 toward Galveston.